Hello and welcome to E-Prime. This evening, I am Daedren. Israel Vibrations Group founder and member Cecil Skelly Spence has died. According to the group's Instagram account, the singer died on Friday in a hospital in New York after a brief battle with what was described as an aggressive cancer with no possibility of treatment. He was 69 years old. Israel Vibrations was formed back in the 70s out of the Mona Rehabilitation Clinic. The three suffered from childhood polio, but that did not stop them from later becoming an international sensation. They're known for tracks like Rude Boy Shuffling and Backstabber. With Adidas released a new pre-match jersey for the 2022-2023 season, which celebrates their Jamaican supporters. The jersey was described as having a vibrant display of energy and style while boasting the colors of the Jamaican flag. Themed Arsenal supporting supporters will see the club donating £5 from every sale to the Arsenal Foundation to support local community projects. Now, from viewer to nominee, those are the words of dancehall artist Shenseea to her fans on Sunday. Shenseea was in attendance at the VMAs as she copped her first nomination for Push Performance of the Year. However, the award went to 17 with their song Rock With You. Nicki Minaj received the coveted Video Vanguard Award. Now, during her heartfelt speech, she thanked the persons who gave her the opportunities she'll never forget. She also made a special shout out to two special Jamaican artists. Other big winners included Video of the Year, which went to Doja Cat's Woman. Bad Bunny secured Artist of the Year. Adele went away with Song of the Year for Easy On Me. Dave Cameron was awarded Best New Artist. The 2022 MTV VMAs was held last evening at the Prudential Center in Newark, New Jersey. The event was hosted by Nicki Minaj, LL Cool J, and my boy Jack Harlow. Now, E-Prime would like to send condolences to veteran broadcaster Francois Saint-Just. Love you forever. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.